later. My arse is numb. Did not sleep. Just getting off the overnight train. And we are in Malang, 12 hours from Jakarta. I think Henny's just going to lead the way here. We're going to go get some food. A few things to do first, right here in the town. Kota Malang. We have a hotel booked in Batu. Outside of the city, right? This is hard to do with all this. Follow my wife. I'm not sure that's a good idea. And there she goes. Makan dulu. Food first, eat first. And we're gonna go see the colorful little village. What is that called? Warna. There's a toilet and Kamar.
Just hot shower.
Yeah, it's just a hot shower place. That would be nice. I think we'll just wait for the hotel later though. My first time in Malang. How about you, Henny? Already?
First time also.
First time also. You've lived almost your whole life in Indonesia and never make it out this way, right?
Tahu nggak pecel yang enak di sini? Nggak tahu ya, makasih.
Maybe here. There's a whole strip of. Let's just walk through here. There's a whole. They have lesehan. Last time I do lesehan in Jogja, though that didn't go over well. Well, one's winter food, although it's nice and cool. What do you think?
There's rawon too. Maybe just share them.
Eat rawon? We eat rawon. I think Surabaya food. East Java food. And we are in East Java, so might as well. Like many Indonesian dishes I make at home, so I'm curious. And I've made rawon at home. I think I've only had this one other time in Indonesia. It was Jakarta, like at Jakarta Mall, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm curious. They put a lot of rice in here, huh?
Yeah. That's also the soy sprouts, makasih.
It is good. It's nice and salty. I like salty. Nice tender beef. Little chunks of beef. Very rich beef broth. I've never had it with this much rice like tossed in it though. A little kerupuk. I think a piece of tempeh, right?
Mm-hmm.
Little sambal here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I like these. The beef's really tasty. Steaming hot. Cooler weather. I like Malang already. Oh, sambal's the best. Sambal's hot, but tasty. What is this? This
Soto
is a
ayam.
different soup. Oh, soto ayam?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this looks different. They put a lot of rice in their soups, huh? It's
Yeah.
it's like chicken rice soup like we have in the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When you have a lime, you must use it. Kill all them germs. No, I think we're good here. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, that's sitting in there. What is this stuff here? Like this pinkish powdery stuff. You know what that is?
I think it's like
think it's roe. Roa, like roe.
No. It's shrimp
Oh, just like shrimp
powder.
powder.
Yeah, shrimp
Yeah,
powder.
we'll mix that in there then. You have that, babe? I like the raw one.
Halo, becak. Belakang. Permisi. Oke. Ah, tempatnya bed. Ini Pak. Ya. Ini buka.
Boleh. Open.
Open,
Tunggu dulu. Biar enak. Ya, oke.
no.
Bed.
Okay.
Permisi ya.
Yes,
Yeah.
this one.
Permisi.
Okay.
Biar enak. Sambil
Alright, Henny's gonna pay. You pay to go in? Okay. We made it. Squeeze, tight squeeze on the becak. Oh, can I?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so we're gonna take that off. Ask if I can use drone. Pakai drone?
Boleh terbangin dong.
Here we go. Going down this colorful village.
Sorry.
What's that?
Left side. Yeah.
Left. Okay, yeah, that's for drainage or something. Look how colorful everything is. So basically, as far as I know, this is a slum converted into kind of a tourist attraction. I believe the government was going to kind of tear it down, destroy it, and maybe move everybody out, place them elsewhere. But I think a university nearby, right, had decided to make a deal and turn this into an attraction. People still live here. It's still residential, like it is kind of a slum, but they just kind of fixed it up and made it colorful. So now it's a tourist destination. Just look at that. It's adorable. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can on the GoPro, and no problem using the drone. I love Indonesia for that. Like, you can do whatever you want. Even have a public restroom. Priya, man, I need for a woman. Oh, doing laundry. Little food spot. See, we could have waited to eat and just eat here, babe. Let's check out the toilet. Not bad at all. Not slum-like at all. Plenty of toilets here. That's always a good thing. Maybe check out the river over on this side. River's not too bad either. I think there's a little spot for basso, but I'm sort of full too. Let's see, which way should we go up? We can't get through that way, I don't think, so we'll go this way. Oh, I'm out of breath. This is really cool. This is a great view of all this. Of this here. I'm out of breath from the stairs. Got birds here. Burung. sure which way I want to keep going. This is cool over here though. Let's just check up here. So many nooks and crannies. Wow, you can go anyway. So you do pay a small little fee to get in. I'm not sure what that was last time. It's probably at most a couple dollars, like $1 a piece or something like that. I want to go down this way, see what's this way. We're really getting into where people live. They really took their time to do a lot of cool paintings. Hello, this is like a little food spot, I think, or someone lived there. I don't know. I think they live here, maybe.
Yeah.
Wow.
Halo Ibu.
Hello.
Lewat dulu Bu ya.
Ya, ya.
Ini Kampung Biru ya?
Ya. Oh, Kak.
Go the other way? That's okay. Let's just look around this way, too.
Sini masih warna-warni. Kampung Biru.
Tridi.
We'll go this way? Okay.
Ya, ya.
I'll see you. I am.
Oh yeah, this is blue.
You can get lost here. Oh, we came from there. We're gonna go to the blue section. Oh, what we got here? Gorengan. Hello. It's up this way.
Yeah, this is already blue.
Oh, scared me. Hello. Selamat pagi. We keep getting deeper in here. Now it kind of looks like Sentiong. Does it just, does it immediately go to Biru or no? Like this way still? Okay. There's this way. Kuching. Well, look at that. It's not real. Looks like a fun place to live. Hello.
Ini
Little
masih
snacks.
warna-warni ya? Kalau biru.
Oh,
That way now.
yeah. Yeah, it's.
Oh, can you go there or straight? Then
Yeah. Well, I'm about out of battery, so I don't know if we'll
another mural.
just kind of call it quits on the GoPro here. My other battery's dead too. Never prepare with the other one. But that gives you an idea of what it's like. There's Masjid up there, over there. But maybe I'll take some more with the phone. I'll just put this away and go from there. If there's anything more. It's really large. It's like a whole. It's quite a maze, quite a labyrinth. Selamat jalan. So yeah, we're kind of leaving here. I don't know. So I think we just turn around.
Okay.
Everybody have burung? I think we'll just power off here and take over with the other one, and I'm gonna find a spot where I can take the drone up. Switching to the phone. So,
Yeah, you see.
nice view of the bridge. Under the bridge. What happens under the bridge stays under the bridge. There's Biru, all the blue. This could be a good spot for the drone then, I think. Huh? Looks like I can launch from down there. We got to get across the bridge, go back to where we started, and make our way down those steps. On we go. Need to get some aerial footage. Yeah, just along the, oh, there's like a whole platform over there too. That'll be perfect. See, over there too. Perfect spot. This glass kind of makes me nervous. Look at this. Yikes. I don't feel like walking on that. Down we go. Back down.